Hi there, today we're going to take a look at how to check the estimated ink levels of a HP Envy 6120E. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel found on the front of the machine. Now, from this main screen, we're going to just drag ourselves along until we see supplies. If we click into that, we get a visual representation of how much colour and black ink is found within each of the cartridges. Now you can click in, get slightly more details, installation date, supported codes, bits like that. But in most cases, that main screen will probably have everything you need. And it's as simple as that. If you're checking the ink levels due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, you might want to check out our dedicated videos on cleaning cycles and test pages, which we also have on our channel. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and chuck anything you want to add down in those comments. Take care, bye bye.